Good day, traders. Welcome back. Market Analytics, Friday, last day of our trading week. And we owe you an update on the gold, guys. Last time we were here was about 10 days ago. And we were calling for a bearish conviction on the gold right after we've noticed that price had made this nice move all the way to the top resistance, 1452. Slightly touched base there and began to turn around, and of course we were looking at this as a potential resistance because there was already a few legs in that trading range, the same trading range that started around the end of June. So we're talking about this very local price action formation, but aside from that 1452 we were talking about, we also mentioned that mighty resistance level coming from 1434, which actually belongs to the bigger time frame setup. That setup is coming from the monthly chart, guys. Take a look. Now this is the formation we're talking about. Take a look. This is the formation. We have 4 fully established legs in this formation. Now the interesting part here, of course, is the fact that price stretched out the whole way, right? Stretched out all the way to the very edge of that setup, 1434, and we've already seen that level pushing back on price. So we're talking about a couple of months ago, the first time price was basically threatening that level. It failed on the first attempt. It failed on the second attempt. That was last month. And even this month, guys, it looks like it's going to fail again because we can already see that spike that's starting to form here. So it's really interesting stuff at this point. But you know, even taking this from a weekly perspective, you have to appreciate the multiple attempts, right? The multiple spikes here on that 1434. Take a look. Right, we have this first one here, second, third. That was a couple of weeks ago, and this week, guys, that's amazing. So it looks like there's a lot of downside pressure coming from that area, right? Now I want to switch to the daily chart. I want to show you what's going on from the local price action, and we can see yesterday was a crazy day. We had the Fed basically coming with an announcement, sending these shockwaves, you know, across the markets, guys. We can see what happened here on the gold, right? At some point it began to explode. But obviously, right now, when price is starting to pull back down, we're starting to feel that that was a deceptive move, right? That was a deceptive move, and it's basically getting fixed right now. It's getting corrected by price coming back down, and also, of course, most importantly, back below 1434. Right now, in order for us to actually keep our position, right, we have a short position on the gold, guys. In order for us to actually keep holding this position, we require price to come back and close the day below 1434. Today, of course, will be also the end of the week. So that's a major condition for us, right? If price will manage to close the day and the week above 1434, we're going to close this short position. Very simple. If it's going to close below, we might actually increase, right? Reinforce our position. Don't forget, we're aiming at 1395. We were so close just yesterday, but we can only hope that price will come back with vengeance here. If it's going to do that, then we might actually push price target from 1395 to the previous low, which is around 1380. That's about that for the gold, guys. We'll see you in the next video.